This summer, I had a chance to visit all 4 national parks in Colorado, and I'm here to tell you which one is the best. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you'll be the first to know when I post the next adventure. There are 4 national parks in Colorado. The most well-known is likely Rocky Mountain National Park. It's located near Estes Park, Colorado, and is absolutely massive. The Rocky Mountains are synonymous with Colorado, and this is a park dedicated to their greatness. You can hike endless trails in this park. You can climb 14,000-foot peak, you can hike to lakes and see plenty of wildlife while you're there. You're gonna have to dedicate some time to this one. Also east of the Rockies, you have Great Sand Dunes National Park. This is an amazing place because you have sand dunes that have formed in front of the Rocky Mountains. And there's no trails in this park because the sand dunes are constantly moving. In southwest Colorado, you have Mesa Verde. Mesa Verde is completely unique because it's the only cultural national park in the national park chain. It's near Cortez, Colorado, and feels like you're in the Southwest. It's the gateway to the Four Corners, where you have Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah, and you can definitely feel it while you're there. Just north of Mesa Verde, you have Black Canyon of the Gunnison. This is also west of the Rocky Mountains, but you can still see them in the distance. Black Canyon of the Gunnison is the one I knew the least about before I got started. The park is located near Montrose, Colorado, and is a massive canyon carved by the Gunnison River. There's 2 types of rocks, so as the Gunnison River carved the canyon, it created this massive pattern that you can see all the way down to the riverbed. But which one is the best one? Well, it depends what you're looking for. If you're interested in hiking, you can't pass up Rocky Mountain National Park. There's endless possibilities to explore. Some of the trails are busy, so you want to time your visit or pick something that's more secluded. You can hike at Great Sand Dunes National Park and Black Canyon of the Gunnison, even though there's not distinguished trails. So Great Sand Dunes National Park, you can hike anywhere that you want to. At Black Canyon of the Gunnison, you're gonna have to get a permit and use your navigation skills. You can hike nearly anywhere that you want to, but you're gonna have to find your own way. If you're looking for a cultural experience, then you need to visit Mesa Verde National Park. Most people visit this park to see the cave dwellings made by ancient Puebloans. This is the only cultural national park in the national park chain and was designated specifically to preserve these dwellings. Now this summer, the cave dwellings were closed, but it was still an experience to see everything and explore the park. Accessibility is always a question. Rocky Mountain National Park and Black Canyon of the Gunnison have some of the best accessibility you're gonna find. at both Rocky Mountain National Park and Black Canyon of the Gunnison, you're going to be able to drive through the parks pretty easily and then enjoy the lookout points. They have endless parking and you can explore the park without getting out of your car. Mesa Verde is one that you want to be aware of. If you have an RV or you're pulling a trailer, they do have a designated parking lot. That way you can leave the trailer or the RV and take your vehicle into the park. If you're looking for adventure, you're going to find it at every single park on the list. If you're looking for something unique, I can't recommend Great Sand Dunes National Park enough. At this park, you're going to be able to try sandboarding or sand sledding. You can rent them at the Oasis right before you enter the park. They'll explain all of the details. You'll be able to try something new and have fun for the whole day. If you want to know more about these parks, I have individual videos linked below. As far as which one is the best one, you'll have to decide for yourself.